Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm from Rachel Crowe Beauty. So today I'm here with Feelunique and I'm creating this look called the Golden Kiss, and this is my entry for stage 2 of Tomorrow's Top Vlogger. To begin today's look, I'm going to go in with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Mont Blanc. And I'm just going to take a few pumps of that onto the back of my hand, probably about 4. This is a medium coverage foundation and it is extremely buildable as well. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and just tap that into the skin. This will give you that really flawless coverage. Next, I am going to go in with the Laura Mercier, and this is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Just underneath my eyes. Let's go back in with that beauty blender. I am going to go in with just a translucent powder, and I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier, and this is the loose setting powder, and I'm just going to go underneath the eyes, and I'm just going to go onto the lid as well. Next, to create that really dewy, kind of glassy skin look, I'm going to go in with the Nars Liquid Illuminator in the shade Copacabana, and I'm just going to take that on to the high points of my cheeks, and I'm going to just circle it round. For bronzer today, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Rosewood. So I'm just going to take that on just an any angled brush. Then with the same bronzer, we're going to multitask here, and I'm just going to contour the eyes as well. So to highlight today, I'm going to go in with Mary Luminizer by The Balm, just to intensify that kind of glassy skin. So because this is a very Fashion Week inspired look, you tend to see a lot more natural brows, you see like very fluffy, brushed up style. So we're going to do that today, and we're going to do that using the Benefit GimMe Brow, and this is in the shade number 3. And it's got the tiniest little bristle, which is amazing. Now to finish off the eyes, we are going to go in with the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Golden Goddess. I'm just going to go in with a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to wiggle that right across the lid. For mascara today, I'm going to go with the Benefit Roller Lash in just normal black. You do not need falsies with this mascara, it's incredible, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Then for the star of the show, the lip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips with the Stila Magnificent Metals in Golden Goddess again. I'm going to overdraw my lips with this, and this will create a liner effect but in glitter. For lipstick, we're going to go in with the Nars Semi-Matte Lipstick in the shade Heatwave, and this is my new favourite red. So I'm just going to go right around, leaving just the edge of the glitter on show. Then just to neaten up any little areas that you feel, you can just take that and just go around and neaten up any edges. Then to complete this final look, I'm going to go back in with the Stila Magnificent Metals, and I'm just going to press that onto my lips. And that just gives that little like hint of glitter on the lips, as well as you've got your glitter liner going on. So I was inspired by the Brendan Maxwell fashion show, where makeup artist Tom Pichot created this glitter liner with a bold matte red lip look, and I absolutely loved it. So I reckon glitter liners will be replacing our normal liners this autumn-winter. Thank you so much for watching my Golden Kiss look. All these amazing products are available to buy at feelunique.com. Thank you so much. Bye!